Hello guys, today we're gonna make Pancit Canton. Yes, it's just for purpose steps. Step 1, open the gasoline. Then, next step is put water in a pot. Let it boil for 5 minutes. While we wait for it, let's just go crazy, I guess. Go.
Go.
And now, the water is now boiling. Now we can put the Pancit Canton inside to marinate. Take off the seasonings, separate it, then yeah. Oh, it fell. Oh my gosh. Why did that happen? What? Are you hungry? Be careful, it's spicy. And we'll just wait. Cut mo nga.
Wait lang, ayaw! Wait lang, ayaw!
Buti kasi, ito kasi nako.
No, naghahangang no!
Masyadong puno yung memory. While we wait.
Go.
That's the same, but thinking for love. Aring ko sakit. Wanna take up for your song. Such pretty thing. You turn to a pretty way. Summertime. Wrong with time. You're no way. Better go fucking do it. God. Okay, while we wait for this to... Let's wait for this to become soft. Let's prepare the seasonings. God, tutulak! And
Go.
now we have finished putting all the seasonings in the plate. Now we're gonna go back to the Pancit Canton and look at it. It's already done. Then we need to turn off the stove. Make sure that no fire is coming. There. Then we need to loosen the water. Yeah, you see here? We need to loosen the water. Aray ko. We need to loosen the water. Then we'll put it in the plate.
There you go.
Mix it thoroughly so all the seasonings gets into the canton.
Okay.
Okay, let's just wait for it. This may take a while. And now we finish it. We finish mixing it. Now we can eat. Aray ko, ang anghang.
Subscribe.
So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how to cook that in this channel. Bye.